How to install WinRAR on Windows 10 or 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll learn on how to download and install WinRAR on Windows. So first of all, you have to open your web browser. I'm using Chrome. In the Google search bar, type in WinRAR. Then hit enter. Among all these links, click on the initial link that is indicating WinRAR download free and support. Tap on it. Once you're in the official website, click on the download WinRAR option that is highlighted in blue color right over here. This will download the executable exe file, and after the download completes, start the installation process. The software will be installed in the program files directory, and you can choose a different location if you wish. Please note that this is a free version for 40 days. You will see a confirmation window. Click on OK, and you will also see a list of associated file types, and just click on OK again and then done. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can download and install WinRAR on Windows. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.